Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hanceville local and long-distance movers near me. If you're trying to find a trustworthy and cheap Hanceville moving company, you need 3 Movers. Our team of movers has helped many students, veterans, homeowners, renters, and business owners move. We know how to make a local move or a long-distance move much easier, no matter how large or small. We provide you with plenty of extra options for your long-distance move, including packing services. Choose to upgrade to a full-service move and get the most convenient option possible. Moving supplies. Pack up on your own and use the supplies we offer to protect all your things better. An on-time move. No delays and no cancellations on moving day when you choose to work with our team. Upfront pricing. Hiring us starts with a free moving estimate with accurate pricing. Licensed and insured. Our movers are fully licensed and insured, so you can trust that your things will be well protected with us. Get the long-distance moving services you need from us. Our team will make sure your relocation becomes less stressful. While we cannot help with everything you need to relocate, we can move your things in the most efficient way possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hanceville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.